Right, so today I'm going to tell you how is to connect a 7-pin tow bar to a VWT4. There's loads of diagrams, but nothing really explains how you connect it up. Now, this was connected up by a friend of mine. He's a vintage car mechanic. I spent about 2 days trying to figure out the wiring. He said to me I was looking into it too much, so I'm doing this video to help you to fit a 7-pin with the alarm to your VWT4. So, right. So this is a Witter tow bar, and then the cable runs below there and then goes along and then comes up near the bottom and then goes through and up into the tube. So this is your buzzer, which is a legal requirement in the UK. I don't know about abroad, but is basically, this is what he has done. So that is the cable itself. So red goes into the top one on the side there, and then orange is over there, which then goes to the buzzer. White is connected to itself in one, so that's white there, and then white goes in there. Yellow is straight connection, green is a straight connection. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is connected to the left hand side of the T4, because there's less wires on this side, so that's why I did that. And then your black so your black and your brown goes to the far one. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And then your grey, you run a brown. This is small. This is just cable from a normal 240 cable, which I've run, he ran out going down, and then we've run it, and it is a long bumper straight along. Basically it is to bring in the indicator on the right hand side, if that makes sense. And that's plugged in to there, and it works absolutely fine. He didn't even look at the instructions. He said blue was this, red was that, and then I'll go back and then I'll just show it again. and it works perfectly. I wanted to do this because it shows you exactly what to do, because I looked at loads of diagrams, pictures, and it wasn't clear what to do. Okay, right, cool. And now that's how you fit a 7-pin. Cheers, I hope this helps loads. Bye.